up, guys? Today we're going to be doing Mountain again. I heard they got the connector trails, they go across the fire road done, and they did a few other things that they were doing last time. I did the video last time. So we're going to check it out today. I'm going to be riding with my buddy George, meeting him up there. I'm on my way up there right now. It was real foggy in town, super dense fog, but out here, it's up here, beautiful day. It's going to be a beautiful day to ride. Sun's out, it's about 52 degrees right now. It's going to be a good day. We're going to do a couple laps probably, depending on how much time we have. But yeah, so all right, I'll see you guys on the trail here. At the top now, following George in. Oh yeah. All right, let's see what this connector is about here. The connector. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, love this trail. You done this trail like how many times? Like, oh yeah. So you know it like the back of your hand. Oh, you didn't go up this high last time. Okay. Doop. Huh? All right, so gotta keep up with George. Woohoo! Whoa, wrong gear. Oh. Love it. Sharp turns, hairpins. Love it. All right, the double's coming up. Missed last time. Oh yeah, right here. Oh, I didn't do it. I went the wrong way. Yeah, we're ready. I don't know what the second lap of the top section. Second lap of the top section. Whoa, that was awkward. Yeah, so second lap, that's probably all we're gonna have time for. It's 2 laps. Whoa. Huh?
That was kind of a mess.
Yeah. I seen that. You were getting a little squirrely. You hit that little loose rock. Woo! Oh yeah. Yeah, I went right. I'm like, where am I going? Woohoo, yeah. Whoa, oh shit. Woohoo! That was good. That's a good bumper right there. Oh. Ah, yeah. And the connector right here. Whoa. Woo. That was good. Yeah, it's real flowy that way. Whoa. S-turny. Woohoo! Oh, went off the trail.
third lap. Not sure what the elevation gain is, but legs are feeling it. Woohoo! Yeah. All right, guys, finish up the ride. It was a lot better the second time around. I was trying to see if I can go faster and trying to keep up with George. I was able to keep up with him on the first run. Second run took off on me a little bit, and I had a terrible run the second time too. My legs were burnt out. We did 3 laps, so it was pretty. It was a lot of climbing. It is a lot of climbing for the length of time that the actual trail is, but it's still worth it because the trails are so fun. Real twisty, totally different from anything else that's kind of in this area. So it's nice to have that here, and it's not too far from the valley either. So yeah, I wasn't very talkative in the videos because I was really trying to push hard and go as fast as I can. So I apologize for that. But yeah, so that's it for today. I appreciate you guys watching. If you haven't, like, subscribe already, please do so. I'll see you guys in the next one.